Would you like to know how powerful your mind is? And would you like to see that you can even manifest things within 24 hours if you have no resistance and absolutely no doubt inside your mind? Today I'm going to give you a technique and I'm going to give you a task, and I explain you in this video what to do, how to do it, and when you will do it, you will get the result within next 24 hours. And once you will get the result, it will enhance your power of belief and motivation in the law of attraction, in the process of manifestation, and then you could manifest many more things in your life. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello Awesome Tribe, this is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm super excited to give you a task and a technique today. Are you excited? I'm sure you are. If you are new here in our Awesome Tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our Awesome Tribe, because you are going to get awesome videos like this. So, I keep meeting my friends and my mentees and people whom I am helping and coaching, and from time to time, all of them believe in the law of attraction, they are applying manifestation processes and all, but there are sometimes some people, they apply law of attraction or manifestation for something and it didn't work out for them, or they don't get the result, and sometimes doubt creeps in. And I know that this is happening with many of you. Sometimes you start doubting, okay, is it really working? Am I really powerful? My mind is really that powerful that I can attract anything I want, or I can manifest things? And then you start doubting, and when you doubt yourself, your motivation, energy, power of manifestation goes down. So that is why whenever you reach a situation like that, you need to do small experiment that will make you believe and make you realize how powerful you are and how the law of attraction is working for you, how powerful your mind is, so that you will start focusing on your goals, desires and dreams, manifestation in a positive way, and then your manifestation will go higher. Before we dive into the exact experiment, I want you to remember one thing, that manifestation power is like muscle power. For example, when you are going to the gym and working out, or if you are running, or if you are doing yoga, the more power you are gaining, or your endurance ability is going really higher, or your flexibility is going better. It depends upon the process you are doing, depending upon the goal you are focusing, and the process you are following. When you are doing it on a regular basis, it's getting better and better and better. Same way with manifestation. So whenever you are stuck with any manifestation and things are not moving forward, you have to go 5 steps back and start with again something small, where you don't have any resistance, where you don't have any issues, so that you will know that that manifestation power is always there and you can manifest. And today we are going to do an experiment, law of attraction experiment, that you are going to manifest something within next 24 hours, and when you manifest it, it will enhance your power of manifestation, and then you shift the manifestation process towards your goals, maybe smaller goals, bigger goals, whatever you want. So you are ready for it? So what I want you to manifest is this smiley within next 24 hours. So few days back, I took my niece to the mall and we were buying a lot of toys and things for her, and then we got this smiley. So after that, I was talking to a friend and he was going through a challenging time, and at that point he said like, AJ, I'm manifesting things, but from last couple of months I'm really struggling and I'm not able to manifest. I'm trying so hard, and I realized that because of some blockages, his manifestation has gone really down and he's not able to manifest, and sometimes he's doubting himself, doubting the universe, doubting the law of attraction. So I did this process along with him. I asked him, keep your dreams aside. Now I want you to manifest this smiley within next 24 hours. And when he did it, he manifested. So that's the point. I thought, why to only do this with my friend? I should share this with my whole awesome tribe, because I know that many of you are struggling in the manifestation process, even if you believe in the law of attraction and the universe. So what I want all of you to have a good look on this smiley, and I know that all of you have seen this. So look at this smiley and feel happy, feel joyful. That's what the smiley is for. So look at it, have a good look. Now close your eyes, close your eyes, take a deep breath, relax, exhale, feel relaxed. And now imagine this smiley in your mind's eye. Imagine it. Try to see this smiley that you have seen in my hand. If you are not able to imagine, you can open your eyes, again look at the smiley for few seconds and then close your eyes and start imagining. Imagine this beautiful, bright, yellow smiley. You could able to see this smiley? Look at this round smiley, imagine this round smiley in your mind. See the bright yellow color of this smiley in your imagination. Now see the two eyes of this smiley, which actually express a happy feeling. Now see the lips, the smiley face of the smiley. Now keep looking at the smiley in your imagination, and now you start smiling. Keep your eyes closed. Smile, smile, smile. Now you must be smiling. Now you must be feeling happy. While keep imagining this smiley, some of you may not be able to see the smiley all the time. It's absolutely fine. Now when you are smiling, now focus all your attention on your own smile. Try to imagine your own face, that you are smiling, you are happy. Now feel this happiness flowing all through your body. Feel that happiness going all through your body, starting from your smiling face, all through your body. Feel this smiling, feel that happiness, feel the happy energy all through your body. Now again focus and imagine this smiley in my hand, this yellow smiley, imagine it. And now looking at the smiley in your imagination, say inside your heart, "Hey smiley, I'm manifesting you within next 24 hours. I am seeing you, manifesting you within next 24 hours, and when I am going to see you within next 24 hours, I am going to have a big smile." Say again inside your heart, "Hey smiley, I am seeing you within next 24 hours. When I manifest it, I'll have a big smile on my face." "Hey smiley, I'm seeing you, manifesting you within next 24 hours. When I'll see you, I'll have a big smile on my face." Now keep smiling, feel happy, say it's done, it's done, it's done. Now open your eyes. You are done. How are you feeling? Let me know in the comment section right now. So this is done. Share your experience in the comment section right now. And you are going to manifest this smiley within next 24 hours. And I'm sure all of you who have done it really well, and I'm sure there was absolutely no resistance, nothing, you were happy. So 100% people are going to manifest it within 24 hours. Some of you may be manifesting within next 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 1 hour, 2 hours, or 5 hours. Now you are going to see this exact smiley within next 24 hours. Maybe you will see online, on a sticker, maybe on a billboard, maybe you will see it on a cup, maybe you'll see it on a wall, or maybe someone is going to gift you something like this. So you are going to see a smiley maybe in the digital form, maybe in the hard form, maybe in the physical form, but you are manifesting it. And the moment you will manifest, come back to this video and let me know in the comment section. And I know that 100% people are going to manifest it, because absolutely no resistance, absolutely no joy. When you manifest it, it's done. And this is the process. Once you will manifest it, your manifestation power will go immensely higher. You will know that how much power you have. Then you will apply the same technique, process for your goals, for desires. So this is the test of your power. Manifest it, come back to the video and share your experience. And know that how much power you have. Once you start following the same process, you can manifest many things. But for now, for this video, it's all about rebuilding your faith. It's all about rebuilding your belief in your own self, in your own power, in the law of attraction. So let's start. Are you excited? Are you ready to manifest? I'm sure it's done for you. So now I'm waiting to read all your comments and come and share. So if this video has inspired you, like it, share it with someone, share this video, send this video link to your friends and family members and ask them to try this and manifest this smiley, and it would be fun. Do it in a group, share it with people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes like this to enhance your manifestation power, you can join my powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The law of attraction is always working for you. Thank you.